Hi everyone, today I'll be making mini coconut custard pies. What all goes into the mini coconut custard pies? Vegetable shortenings for the pie plate, 1/2 cup flour plus more for the pie plates, 2 cups milk, 1 cup sweetened coconut flakes, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup, which is 1/2 stick butter, cut into small pieces, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and whipped cream, which is optional, and I'll be using the canned whipped topping. 2 small pie plates. I'll be using my vancasso pie plates. So let's begin. So I greased and floured the pans. Preheat the oven, 325. Take a blender, combine 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of coconut, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 stick butter or 1/4 cup cut into pieces, 4 eggs, my overhead camera is not working, I don't know why, so unfortunately we're doing this all straight head on. And the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put the lid on, latch it, turn the power on, and hit blend, and blend for 1 minute or until thoroughly blended. It has been a minute and thoroughly blended. We will divide it evenly between the 2 pie plates. And these are supposed to be for 6-inch pie pans, and I have a 5.5. So I'm going to take one of my ramekins and put the rest in that. And it actually filled up 2 pie plates and 2 ramekins. Put your mini coconut custard pies in a preheated 325-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until center is set. So I took the mini coconut custard pies out of the oven after 44 minutes. Next, we'll put them on a wire rack and let them cool completely. After they've cooled completely, we'll stick them in the refrigerator until we are ready to serve. Well, the ramekins, they sunk in just a little bit. They didn't set up like they were supposed to, I think because they were thicker. But the pies look good, so we will see you when we get ready to serve. So here is the coconut custard pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Coconut custard pie.
Oh,
With no crust.
okay. It's fighting back.
That's why I didn't cut it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Make me look like the doofus. Okay.
Better you than me.
Okay. Mmm. I like coconut and pineapple. Mm-hmm. Very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.